Hey, are you a beginner trying to learn some new salsa moves?
Because if you are, you're in the right place.
Bam!
Hey guys, welcome to Latin Dance Movement.
In today's video, we got a beginner salsa pattern. Get excited. It's gonna be awesome. Get your dance shoes ready. Watch the preview of what you're about to learn right now. If you like the video, leave it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, leave us a comment down below. One more thing. If you want more free tutorials, subscribe to this channel. Enjoy. Hey guys. That's fine.
Okay, I'm gonna do like this.
Hey guys, I'm Herman.
And I wanna.
And we're from Latin Dance and we're gonna show you a salsa move. Get ready. We're about to start. Let's jump right into it. Basic step 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I'm gonna give her a right turn with two hands. I am going to hold my right hand down, my left hand goes up, and she's going to turn. When she does, she wraps into what we call a hammer lock. So watch this, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So the hand goes up on 1, immediately at the same time, the right hand lowers down, and then she goes right into the turn. I'll do that one more time, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. From here, I want to start to open up on 7, so my right foot starts to twist because I'm opening up for a crossbody lead. I open up and give her a left travel turn. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Basic, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's see it from here. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. For the followers, pay attention how she's holding the elbow down throughout the whole turn, and also notice how she spots as she turns around. So make sure you're spotting your partner, make sure you're watching who you're dancing with, because not only are you going to be able to tell where the next hands are coming from, it's also going to help you out with the turning being sharper. It's going to help you out get less dizzy. So practice that. Keep the elbows down. It's going to help you maintain your balance. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Basic step 2, 3. I'll do it again. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. To finish it off, I'm going to give her a right turn, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to brush my own hair, 5, 6, 7. I'll do that again. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. This is a loop that I have created by her left hand, my right hand. I pretend like I'm holding a pizza tray like this, and then I am going to see her through the window so I can see her. We create this gap that I see here through, that's what I'm putting over my head. That's on 6. So I do that, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I lift the hand on 1, 2, 3. I go over 5, 6, 7. And then I go into the crossbody lead to finish it off. 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7. When we're connected right here, as I'm lifting the hand up to go into the loop, for the followers, you want to make sure the hand stays really light. You help your partner go up and down. Notice I'm not holding her with my thumbs, and neither is she holding me. The reason for that is because I don't want to lead her like so strongly. I want to make sure that she's following me. No matter where I'm going, she's staying with me. and I take my hand up. She helps me up by making her hand really light, and then I go over me. We go into the closed position and right into the crossbody. 8, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, that's the pattern, guys. Let's take it all the way from the top. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Hammer lock turn. 3, 5, 6, 7. Left travel turn. 5, 6. Immediately a right turn. 2, 3. Up and over me. 6, 7. Crossbody lead. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Another crossbody lead. Let's see it from this side. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Hammer lock. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Inside turn. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Right turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Crossbody lead. 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. There you have it, guys. That's the whole pattern. Now let's see it with music.
Congratulations, guys, for making it all the way to the end of this video.
Great job. Well done. And if you're a beginner trying to get started with salsa dancing, go to latindancemovement.com/crash course. We have put together a step-by-step tutorial on the 6-step formula. That's the formula that we teach to our students all the time to get them on the dance floor dancing really quickly. It's gonna help you out. And like always, guys, leave this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends. If you have any questions, post it down below, and subscribe here for more free salsa content. Enjoy, guys. Thank you so much.